Hey, what's up, Doc? Doc?
Yep, Doc is still up with its tall, dark, and handsome seeded stalks that tend to stick out from the surrounding vegetation. It's found in moist, disturbed areas such as ditches, and in the fall they are easy to spot as you drive along. Now you have a fun new plant to ID on your next road trip. But there's more. Doc also makes an easy gluten-free flour that you can use in your baked goods. In the fall, Doc is loaded with seeds, and it's another plant that is good for procrastinators because its height will keep it above the snow for you. These seeds are encased in a husk, which you could spend your time separating, but the simplest way to use them is to roast and then grind the whole package. The seeds keep better in whole seed form, so save the roasting and grinding for right before you want to whip up something tasty, or store your flour in an airtight container and keep it in the fridge or freezer to prevent it from going rancid. My seed stash was kindly delivered by a very special pair of helpers. Pro tip: remember to always reward your helper gnomes with weedy baked goods. Today, we're going to start with making some tasty sourdough Doc crackers. Don't worry if you're gnomeless. You can still gather up a stash in no time if you arm yourself with a paper bag and a pincer grip. The seeds pull off quite easily, and they are a springy bunch, so you are likely to spread a few seeds while you're at it, which helps the plant. But they are invasive, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Fun fact, because each plant can have up to 40,000 seeds and they are viable for 80 or more years, the plant is used as a symbol for fertility, abundance, and prosperity. Now on to those crackers. First, we need our Doc flour. All you need to do is spread it out on a baking sheet and roast it in the oven for 5 minutes. Then, give it a good grind in your favorite device, and voila! For your crackers, you will need knead the ingredients together until a smooth dough forms. Place dough onto a lightly floured parchment and shape into a rectangle or square. Cover with another sheet of parchment and chill in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Go do something nice while you wait. You deserve a break. Place the chilled dough onto a lightly floured work surface. Roll out to 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. Lightly brush with oil and sprinkle on the desired toppings. Cut into cracker-sized pieces and arrange on a parchment-lined baking sheet, close together but not touching each other. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. But maybe you need sweet instead of savory for your gnomes. We've got you covered with chocolatey brownies. You will need grease your baking pan, cream butter, maple syrup, sugar, and vanilla, add eggs and beat on high speed for 5 minutes to fluff it up. Combine flour, cocoa, and salt. Add to egg mixture and beat on low until just blended. Fold in the chocolate chips. Spread the batter into your prepared pan. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool, cut, and nom nom nom. The seeds can also be added to muffins, breads, soups, stews, or sauces. Let us know what's up with your dock in the comments below.